I'm going to. Okay.
Welcome back, guys. Go ahead and crawl all the way out of those tubes for me.